Police ask for help in search for missing teen not seen since October. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for 14-year-old Rashali Davis of Denbigh, Clarendon, who has been missing since October. She is of brown complexion, simple and about 5 feet tall. Reports from the Spanish Town Police are that Rashali was last seen in Maypen Center. Her mode of dress at the time is unknown. The police said that all efforts to contact her has failed. They are therefore appealing to anyone knowing Rashali whereabouts to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305, Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.